If you have a Firestick remote like this one with the volume buttons and it's not working to control the volume on your TV, don't worry, it's easy to fix. Let's check it out. It's really important to protect your sensitive information while using the internet. The good news is that NordVPN can help keep your data safe and secure. Plus, Nord is more than just a VPN, with added benefits such as freeing you from any streaming restrictions. Don't miss out on the best VPN deal available right now. Check out the links provided in the description to get started and stay protected. If you've switched the TV that your Firestick is connected to, or the connection between the TV and remote is not working properly, you can resolve the problem by following the steps in this video. These steps work on any Firestick, Firecube or Fire TV, and you have a remote with volume buttons. Go into your settings and select Equipment Control. Then select Manage Equipment. If you only see one option here to add equipment, then select that option. Next, select TV and then change TV if you have that option. Then follow the guided setup on screen to connect your Firestick remote to your TV. When you've completed the steps, you'll see the message on the screen, "Your Fire TV remote has been updated." You should now be able to use the remote to power your TV off, turn the volume up and down, and mute all sounds. If that doesn't work, try taking the batteries out of your remote and waiting 5 minutes before putting them back in. Then go back to the equipment control settings and repeat the guided setup. I hope that your Firestick remote is now working. If you ever need help with your Firestick remote not working at all, feel free to check out my previous video by clicking the link above or checking out the description below. It's full of helpful hints and tips that might do the trick. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and help to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow. Don't forget that online privacy and security are more important now than ever before. And NordVPN is an excellent choice. I use it almost every day to help me unblock internet restrictions when streaming, such as this. With NordVPN connected, I can watch the content I enjoy from anywhere. You can easily download and install NordVPN's user-friendly app on all your devices, including Firestick, by searching for it in your App Store. With NordVPN, simply connect to any one of their servers to ensure that your online activities are unrestricted and protected from prying eyes and potential cyber threats. The Nord app has some very useful features for your Firestick, including threat protection to help keep your device safe from potential security threats by blocking access to malicious websites. Plus, AutoConnect makes connecting to a secure server a breeze by automatically connecting to a network without having to manually do it every time you want to use the internet. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which ones use your regular internet connection. These settings and features are essential for anyone who wants to have a secure and personalised online experience. Check out the links in the video description for the best deals and try it now completely risk-free for 30 days.